interesting perspective on how you look at people. You need a manager mindset and a leadership mindset to be successful. But sometimes people cannot cross those two lines and stay successful. You know, one of the traits I recognized a long time ago about leaders is that leaders can write the resume of those people around them, and managers cannot. Think about that. Leaders can write the resume of those around them, and managers cannot. If you fixate so much just on the job and the duties, then you don't understand the people. If you understand the people, then you can align them to jobs and duties and responsibilities and work product needs. Leaders know their people, and the more you know people, the more you can connect, you can collaborate, you can align value systems to attain great success. So ask yourself, do you have a leadership mindset of those around you, or do you have a management mindset when you're around other people?